pandemic has really hit a lot of local Southwest Florida businesses hard. And DeVoe Cadillac is partnering with tons of local businesses to help restart this economy and get Southwest Florida rolling again. One of those businesses? Flower Spot, where you can get beautiful arrangements for special occasions or just to have displayed in your home. So let's go meet Lisa inside. Yeah, we're still filming, but you can say hello anyway. All right. We're ready to go. I love this because we're helping Southwest Florida businesses, and this is a great one right here. So let's go. Hey, Lisa, how are you?
Good. How are you doing?
Good to see you. Thanks so much for having us.
Absolutely.
Oh my
Thanks for
gosh,
being here.
it is so beautiful inside here, and it smells so good. I was saying earlier, we've been at restaurants for the past couple days, and saying this just smells so good. I wish there was a feature on the phone that y'all at home could smell how delicious it smells in here.
Thank you. Yeah, it's a good thing to smell good in the flower spot.
Yes, for sure.
Yes.
Well, you know what? You'll just have to come on by and check it out yourself.
Thank you. Yes.
So you have a lot more than just flowers here.
Yes.
I mean, look at all these great things. I love these water bottles. They're so cute.
Yeah, our showroom shows all positive small gifts that you can bring for yourself or in home, or just a small gift to someone, showing them your appreciation for them. We have all flowers, but we also have a fun showroom of small gifts as well.
I love it. You know what? And Father's Day is coming up. I see there's like some cute little things here that you can get for Dad, or just for anyone to tell them that you care.
Yeah, exactly.
When we can't really be with our friends and family right now, to give them a hug or something, sending them some flowers or a nice little gift would be a great way to show that.
Yeah, it's all about expressing your emotions and telling them how you feel and how you want them to be loved or thought of or get well, you name it. It is a great way to express your emotions to them.
Yeah, so tell me a little bit about you and your story.
Okay.
You know, you're here, this is a family-run business.
It is, yeah. I bought the business 10 years ago. It was a pre-existing flower shop, and we kind of just given it a facelift since then and built it. We're a very communal flower shop. We're involved with the Naples City Police. We donate flowers to them for Do the Right Thing organizations, and we're daily deliveries every day.
Awesome.
We've grown over the last 10 years, and we love our location and our customers.
Right,
Yes.
That's awesome. I love, that, and DeVoe is helping these local Southwest Florida businesses continue to grow, especially in this hard time where a lot of businesses have been hit so brutally by this pandemic. And so when someone comes into DeVoe and buys a new car, we're going to offer them a $200 gift card to any locally owned Southwest Florida business.
Wonderful.
One of them being Flower Spot. So let's check out some flowers.
Yeah.
All right, I think we have some. Let's go this way. I think there's some over here, right?
Yes.
All right. There's some everywhere,
Yes.
but I think these caught my eye for sure earlier.
Yes.
Oh my gosh.
So these are just some in the cooler. Everybody can come and pick up all different kinds of arrangements every day. We try to fill this cooler so you can come and go, pick it up, and we get our deliveries fresh every week. And yeah, we just try and have something for everybody in this cooler.
Can I grab this out to show them at home?
Yes, please do.
All right, I'll be careful.
Okay.
Look how beautiful they are.
Yeah.
Oh,
Some nice
my
hot
goodness.
pink roses.
They're stunning.
Thank you.
Oh my gosh. Wow.
Oh, and then this is our family member, Isla. Isla, say hi.
Hi, Isla.
Isla's a year old, and she's part of the family here. And you could always come in and say hi to her too. But if you're not a fan of dogs, she is always on a leash. So don't be afraid.
Got it. This is so awesome. I love it. It's the full family.
It
here.
is. It is.
That's amazing.
Yeah.
So what else? Oh.
Sorry.
So what arrangement is your best-selling arrangement? What type of flower do you think people typically are wanting to get their hands on?
Yeah, I mean, in the summer, sunflowers are a huge hit. I feel like it's happy, it's bright, and they're long-lasting.
Right.
So we always have sunflowers on stock.
They're one of my favorites.
Yeah, sunflowers are beautiful. And then we also get peonies in, which is a more higher-end flower. But they are fresh out of Holland, which is beautiful, and those are really special. Orchids, hydrangeas, you name it.
Right.
So
You've got it all.
We customize all of our arrangements. So
Okay.
it's not like we have, I mean, we have our own original website, but we can make anything.
So what's
for
your
you.
website?
It's www.naplesflowerspot.com. Very original.
Awesome.
But
So you can check them out online, and you can also check DeVoe out online at DeVoeAuto.com. And watch us all follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, subscribe to our channels, and continue to follow us in our journey of continuing to support Southwest Florida businesses and helping them grow through this rough time.
Yes, thank you very much. Thank you for coming in.
Yeah, thanks so much for having us.
Yes.